Hi guys, and welcome to the beautiful snowy, cold and winterly vlog. Just walk. We are just going on the main street because we are crazy.
It feels amazing.
Because we need some hot wine today.
We need some hot wine to have some liquid pullover. Here you can see Nati. Here you can see how windy it is today. It's really crazy windy. You can look at the flags. It looks nice with the little snow everywhere. This is the ball where we were on the last vlog. And today we go farther. Today we go for the markets. Look at the snow, guys. Oh, beautiful.
Really cold.
As we promised you in the last vlog, today we take you to a short trip to the Christmas markets here in downtown. So let's get some impressions, let's get some hot wine, let's get some Christmas mood. Yeah! It's so cool when you go inside and shoot from down, like on a selfie or I don't know what, and you have like all the universe lights around you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. Whoop. Like this?
There's even a moon.
Let's go all three of us on it. Boring. We did that yesterday. Boring.
But yesterday it was not snowing. Look how nicely it's snowing.
That's true. That's true.
Amazing.
It really is.
And it's just amazing. I love weather like that. If there has to be a winter, then it has to be like this. Just love it. Snowing, everything gets nice and powdered and white, and the perfect lights to it. It's just, I know you've seen it already in the last vlog, but we just have to go one more time. It's Christmas time. Be happy. Vlogmas. Woo!
Yay! Today is actually second Advent because it's Sunday today when we are filming this video. So here you can see, here was the first one, second one, and then we need two more. But as Danny said already, fourth one is this year Christmas. So that's quite funny.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Next to the tree, the big tree. Na 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 na, the Christmas tree. Beautiful. It's getting really windy, guys.
Just snowing and snowing, it's really cool, and I think I'm already a complete snowman. The girls checking out the stage.
We are checking the stage because here on this stage, on this day when you watch this vlog, on Wednesday, our kids from dancing class will perform here.
On the main street.
On the main street, yeah.
That's really cool. So guys, that's the famous Košice Christmas market. You get here everything from langosh, which you cannot read most probably because it's dark.
We just decided we drink one wine to warm up and then we walk through and look.
So while drinking, okay, I'm with you.
Red or
Right. Original Christmas wine from, I have no clue.
Matic is a really good winery here.
Ah, winery. Okay.
It's from Tokaj. Oh.
Oh, it's full.
Cheers!
Cheers! So let's go over the Christmas market, I guess. Here are the typical Christmas stands. Oh, they're closing up now because the weather is really bad. Oh, they sell their balloons. You can see it, guys. Oh, I'm really proud on the camera. If the camera will survive this day today, then it's everything perfect. The balloons are completely they're not flying up anymore. They're completely straight.
And the fire is slowly dying. And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Oh, you saw that directly into my eye.
Yeah, now we walk like this, but now we will walk like this, and it's directly going inside of the eyes. Your hair are very funny, cute. You really need a head.
It
Look
would
at
not be
this.
better with a head.
Look at this frosting. It's more beautiful, like on our tree.
I think the weight of the snow will just press it completely down. So.
Yeah, so next time we just take a head. Don't ask me why I buy the cup.
Why you buy the cup?
It's so nice and warm and soft. It's so biteable.
So guys, I guess we go inside now because look at my hair. Not bad actually. Not bad.
Not bad actually. Danny, your new image is really cool. I like it really much.
Literally, you mean?
Cool.
Literally really cool.
So guys, because of some kind of weird weather conditions, we will just go inside now somewhere. We just decided to have a coffee and some, what do you want, some palatsinki?
Yeah, maybe.
Where's the woman? There's the woman.
I was doing hard and nobody saw me.
Because you were in the blizzard, you know.
I was doing here hard on the floor, but big one.
Not visible. So we are passing one more time the nice cathedral. Beautiful.
Wow.
We're almost there. There it is already. Oh, you can see it there up. Oh yes, I cannot even talk. Look up there, guys. Look up there.
What is this? Winter is here!
So guys, we are going inside now. We will melt completely, we will be completely wet. But it can be that the cam will fog up completely. And if it will be fogged up, we cannot film inside. So see you maybe inside, but maybe also not. Let's go in. I have to move head banging. So guys, we are now inside of the shopping center because that one restaurant where we wanted to go, the kitchen was already closed. So we switched the places and now we are having finally food. I have to say, the blizzard outside or the snow was really cool. Was a really cool adventure. We were not expecting it to be that it will be that nice, so I'm really happy that we went. Guys, if you want to know something, just ask us questions in the comments. Always, we love to answer them sometimes in our vlog, so why not? Shoot, just shoot. So the storm is kind of gone. It's just very windy still.
And raining.
We go now home and yes, see you there.
See you in the warmness.
Oh.
Yeah, cute Garfield. Relaxing here next to the wrapping papers.
You just crossed the Advent?
I just crossed 10.
The 10?
The next star.
Nice. So, we hope you have a really perfect Advent, guys. Because we had actually really cool Advent. What you don't know, we were filming before. We went out and talked to you. We were filming before. The shutter has somehow too much. We were filming before already a video for you guys. So this will be not a surprise, but it will be for next Friday, so I will not, my lips are sealed, I will not say absolutely nothing. But yeah, so we will definitely not miss out next Friday, like last Friday, but yeah.
We really hope you liked it, the footage, and if you liked it, then give us a little thumbs up so we know.
Yeah, and of course follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, wherever you want. Instagram is like here, so if you want to follow us, follow us. Send us something if you feel like. We have a PO box. We are very happy about whatever you want to send us.
Especially postcards. Just normal basic postcards from where you live, guys. Nothing special, nothing too much.
If you didn't see the vlogs before, we are planning to put for our sit-down videos into the background some of your postcards from the different cities or countries where you are from. So that will be pretty cool.
Yeah, see you on Friday in a special video.
We hope you liked the small trip. And thanks for watching.
Ahoj!
Ahoj, guys!